Hi, Matt Beyer Organizing with organizing your car. With more of us hitting the road this summer, I thought I'd talk about how to keep an organized ride. There are a lot of car organizing products out there, and every car has a slightly different layout. So I'm going to focus on the most universal car features and organizing needs. One of the most consistent needs in every vehicle is a trash receptacle. They just don't seem to come as a standard feature. I guess no car looks sellable with a built-in trash bin. But if you don't have a place for your trash to go, then you can guarantee that it is going to go in the wrong place, usually the floor. A great position for a trash bin is on top of the divider in the back seat. I like this product. It's not very big. You can really only fit in one big cup, but that's actually a good thing because it sets a limit. The point of a car trash bin is not to hold a month's supply of road trash, but to offer a solution that's better than the floor. Emptying the trash at your next destination should be part of your routine. Circulation prevents accumulation. This trash bin is easy to clean and it offers some handy compartments as well. I've seen this larger variety which hangs from the back of the seat. It has a greater capacity, but beware of the option to use for trash or cold drinks. Pick one or the other. It is hard to stay organized when items don't have a dedicated use, particularly in small spaces like a car. The glove compartment should be reserved for your most important items. Besides the registration, I like to keep my insurance card and AAA card inside this plastic envelope, which I always keep in the very top of the contents of my glove compartment. Other essentials include fully charged flashlight, owner's manual, a pen, and for fellow business owners like myself, I recommend keeping a block of business cards. Most vehicles have some sort of center console compartment. As these tend to be rather tall, I think it makes sense to reserve them for items that can store vertically so they don't get buried. Many cars have door storage. These are right at your fingertips, so they should be reserved for just a few smaller items that you need to keep super handy. For example, parking meter coins, napkins, mask, and clear envelopes. This follows an organizing rule from my book, The Circulation Solution, which is frequency merits facility. The more often you use something, the easier it should be. The clear envelopes I mentioned are for coupons and gift cards for brick and mortar stores. I've got an entire one just for Bed Bath & Beyond coupons, which we visit frequently. These will do you no good piled up on your dining table, so keep them in your car. Whether you have a hatchback, SUV, or station wagon, you will always have some sort of back storage for transporting larger items. So it's important to choose organizing solutions that will enhance the space, not fill it up. Emergency items should be limited to a trunk bag like this, where they can stand up and be seen rather than cover the trunk floor. I find these vertical containers useful for cleaning supplies and shopping bags. To keep these vertical items from tipping over, I like these Trunk Ease trunk supports. Another great solution are these bins which collapse to save space when not in use. As a general rule, it's best not to fill up your car compartments just because they're there. When you can use them with intention, it's easier to keep your car clean and organized. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.